guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about some more of my diet stuff. I recently told you guys in a previous video that I started a diet, and one of those things that included in my diet, I told you I was trying to increase some proteins, increase my greens, take out some carbs, take out some sugars, fast foods, things like that. And one thing that I did notice that made a significant difference in my first week, I cut out dairy. I am eating cottage cheese, which is obviously dairy, but I'm talking about like straight milk. I cannot drink milk or eat ice cream really. It just goes like TMI, but right through me. So with that being said, I decided to try some alternatives like soy milk or almond milk, and I have to say I don't really like soy milk. Soy milk is kind of nasty to me, but I do like almond milk. And if you guys want to know what products I've been using for dairy replacements, then just keep watching. So one thing that I eat often is cereal, and I didn't really eat the most healthiest cereal, so I've been buying Special K for in the mornings, and it's the strawberry oats one. And usually with the milk, I just get so bloated and I cannot stand it. So bloated all day long, in and out of the bathroom, and it's just not fun. So I wanted to try something else. And then another thing is coffee. I drink coffee. I was a frequent Splenda user, but Splenda is very not good for you. So I actually bought something that has an alternative in it. So first things first is the milk. The kind of milk that I've been trying, that I've been loving. I have no side effects from this stuff. Obviously, it's dairy-free, gluten-free, if I could talk, and soy-free, in the flavor vanilla almond milk, and it's by Silk. It's 80 calories per serving. This is what this guy looks like. And let's see what it says. It says how we make it matters. Dairy and lactose free, gluten free, soy free, carrageenan free, no saturated fat, cholesterol free, and no artificial colors or flavors. Ingredients, the first one is water, almonds, cane sugar, vitamins and mineral blend, calcium, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D2, sea salt, natural flavor, some gel and gum, acid to protect freshness. But that's it. Literally, that's it. There's a lot of potassium. There's 35 milligrams of potassium. Sodium is pretty low at 125 milligrams. Total fat is 2.5 grams, which is not a lot. Servings per container is about 8. So that's pretty good. You get 10% of your vitamin A, 45% calcium, 25% vitamin D, 20% vitamin E, 2% iron, and 4% magnesium. That's pretty good for an almond milk, I think. And there's also no GMOs. This is just the half a gallon, and this cost me about $3.50. That is like the normal price of a gallon of milk. But obviously this is the almond milk. It's gonna be a bit different, so it's gonna be more expensive. But yeah, and this is also sweeter because it does have a natural vanilla flavor to it as well. So I am loving this guy. If you do use it, make sure to shake it. But I highly recommend those of you who have a dairy issue to try Silk. It is so worth it. It is so, so worth it. My mom's side of the family does have a lot of lactose issues and dairy issues, so that's carrying on to me as I get older, but this is a godsend. So I'm really, really obsessed with this. Another thing that I tried from them, which is probably even more of my favorite because I'm a coffee drinker. I used to drink it so sweet. Not really so light, but really, really sweet. I would put like 4 packets of sugar, Splenda in there. But I actually, after using this product, don't use any sugar at all. I might sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, so anyways, this is the Silk Almond Creamer, and this is what she looks like. She is, again, dairy and lactose free, gluten free, soy free, no saturated fat, no cholesterol, no artificial flavors. There's 4 sugars in here. I just am obsessed with this, and the same ingredients in here are basically the same except for like sunflower oil, and that's it. But it's pretty thin. It's not very thick. This is also in the flavor of vanilla bean, and it's all natural flavors. There's no artificial colors or flavors. It just smells like straight ice cream, and it tastes like it too. And it's not even bad for you. I've been using this with about this much at the bottom of my cup, and then pour coffee on top of it. And I've been trying to cut back on the caffeine because I used to have coffee every single day. But this is just so good. And I've been cutting back a lot. I used to have like 2 cups a day. But this is really, really, really good for you guys who want to really make that dairy change. She, I think, was about the same price. No, she was $4.50. This was $4.50. This is actually pretty expensive. Again, that's because it's almond milk and they jack up the price. But I think it is pretty good. You get a lot out of this. A little bit goes a long way too. So yeah, I highly, 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 highly recommend you guys to try these 2 products if you do have a dairy issue, like I do. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions on these 2 products, drop a comment down below. And if you like this video on like food related items, I would definitely do more, because I love food and I can't really talk about, I can't really eat junk food, and I want to give advice about healthy foods. So if you want me to talk more about that, I could definitely do that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!